End of day check-in turned out pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I've probably done these doors 5 or 6, 7 times over the years I've owned it, and I actually put everything back on the door. The window stops, everything. So not too shabby. Using the stuff that I'd gotten a while back. We're talking like 15 years ago when my kids got me, so it's not perfect right now, but I love it. So alignment's good, door turned out pretty good. Open it up, see the new bling, and yeah, I mean, it just works. Everything looks good. The only thing is the window felt, not the window felt, but the window track felt. I'm gonna go look at that now. But everything went in just fine. Everything works, no issues. Loving the paint. Shuts good. Driver side's next. Peace.